Hello, everyone. It is Josh here from the statistical team known as the R of War. I'm coming to you live from my basement just outside of Milwaukee, Wisconsin, which just so happens to be quite an excellent location to announce our statistical project theme. And our theme, well, it's none other than beer. Now, before you get too excited, we're not talking about brands like Miller Lite here. Instead, we're focusing on microbreweries. You see, in recent years, most economic sectors are facing the takeover of monopolies. Television, grocery, advertising, etc. However, the beer industry has done quite the opposite. You see, the US has seen an unprecedented rise in craft brewery, and we plan on analyzing this recent phenomenon to see what makes it tick. We also thought it would be an interesting topic to research given that Minnesota has a healthy population of craft breweries as well.
As far as data selection goes, we're mainly going to be collecting data from Simply Analytics and Statista. Simply Analytics has good regional data to help us break down the information. Statista has lots of information on beer sales and craft beer sales and production to dig through. We plan to fill the gaps using other in-depth searches in other databases as well as search engines where needed.
Thanks, Lucas. Now, you may be wondering, what are we going to do with all of this data on beer? Well, ultimately, we want to build a model that will predict whether or not a certain craft brewery will be successful. Now, we'll have to dig into a couple of key factors and answer certain questions, such as is it all based on location or vicinity to a city? Or maybe is it based on the quantity and quality of beers that the certain brewery sells or the employees that work there? So there are many questions we'll have to dig through our data to solve in order to build our final model.